very good morning to everyone. Respected Sister Maria, correspondent, teachers, and my dear students. First and foremost, I would like to wish you a happy Independence Day. It is a very important occasion for all Indian citizens. We are all really proud to be an Indian. Today, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day of our country. Dear students, if we look back 1947, we got our independence. We know that now we are living in this independent India only because of the struggle of our freedom fighters. It is important that we should remember each one of them today and pay tribute to them. 75 years ago, we were ruled by British. They came to India on pretext of trades. Gradually, they took everything under their control, made us their slaves. Indians struggled for decades from 1857 to 1947. The first voice against the British for Indians' independence was raised by Mangal Pandey, a soldier working in British Army. On August 15, 1947, our country got independence. Since then till today, we have been celebrating 15th August as Independence Day every year by remembering our brave soldiers. We are very fortunate that our ancestors gave a land of peace and happiness, where we can sleep all night without fear and have fun all day in our school and home. Our country is rapidly developing in technology, education, sports, finance, and many other fields which were not possible without our independence. Finally, so dear students, let us all work together to make our country the best country in the India.
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शान रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शान रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।